Alrighty, guys. Well, let's get started here. Good morning. My name is Britta Geddert. I'm with Forefront, a great SI partner of Salesforce. So thank you for joining this conversation around the Salesforce process manufacturing and connecting the value chain.
Well, I can tell you that at least in the customer example we talked about, forecasting is happening all the time. It is dynamically changing as market conditions, macroeconomic, things change. So no, it is not too late. I think the key is setting up the foundation so that you can forecast dynamically and sort of in real time. And once you get there, then you'll have the luxury of being able to sort of click a button, adjust the view and say, okay, based in this geography, based on this territory, based on this sales rep, based on this customer segment, what are we anticipating? It goes back to the MyPOC story. If it's not in Salesforce, it doesn't exist. And if we can build that, then forecasting can be as easy as a click of a button in a lot of cases.